welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith, and if this is your first time seeing this fine face, this fine girl, you are very welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. I definitely appreciate you guys. All right guys, so I definitely know you guys already read the title. So from the title you already know that today I'm going to be doing a drugstore makeup tutorial. So yes guys, everything I use on this face from A to Z is from the drugstore, from Walmart or Walgreens. So yes guys, I basically just did this video just because I know some people will be like, oh, I don't have money to buy, you know, the high-end makeup, and I'm basically telling you that you don't need no high-end makeup to be looking like this. Okay, this is good to use the high brand stuff, but if you don't have that, you cannot go and kill yourself. Okay, you cannot come and be killing yourself. So yes guys, if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful look using all drugstore makeup brand, just keep watching. Just keep watching so I can give you my tips and tricks, you know. Yes guys, so yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look using all drugstore product, definitely keep on watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on your post notification bell, and I will see you guys later. Yes, I already went ahead to do my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I use the eyebrow pencil I normally use. I get it from the hair store, $1. So yes, so I just went ahead to do my eyebrows. So I use this pro concealer right here to clean up my eyebrows. So yes guys, so yeah, that's what my eyebrows is looking like. This nice, I love it. I'm liking the way it's looking today. Okay, so yes, I already went ahead to do that, and I also use my Maybelline New York Baby Skin primer to prime my face. So my face is primed, and I just have to put in my foundation. So let's get into putting in my foundation. All right, so I'm going to be using my Maybelline Super Stay foundation in the color Mocha 360. All right, so I'm going to be using that for my foundation, and this foundation I got it from Walgreens. And also the primer, also you can get it from Walgreens. The first time I got that primer, I got it from Walgreens, but for some reason I was on Amazon and I just decided to get it from Amazon. So yes, and I'm also going to be using this makeup brush, and this is from BH Cosmetics. And also, how is everybody doing? I hope everyone is doing good. I hope everyone is staying safe at home, wearing your mask out and everything. I'm doing awesome. So definitely comment down below and tell me how you're doing and how you have been since this corona. I'm so ready for the corona to be over guys, because I'm ready. I want to go on vacation. I have a lot of stuff I want to do, so corona needs to go as soon as possible. Alright guys, so that is done blending. Now I'm about to go ahead and conceal the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. This is a new concealer that e.l.f. just brought out. So yes, I used it once, so this is my second time using it, and I have the color Deep Olive. That's what I'm using. So let's go ahead and put that in. I'll be using my sponge, and this is from Real Technique. For some reason, sometimes I like blending from the bottom to the top. I don't know why, I just think it blends better. So that is what I am doing. This concealer is everything. Like, look at that, guys. Look, take a closer look at how nice this concealer is. I think I want to put a little bit, teeny bit more right there. Alright guys, so this concealer is just everything. I love it. So nice. Alright guys, so now I'm about to contour. Normally I just go ahead and use my powder to, contour and everything, but today I'm just feeling a little bit, so yes, I'm going to be using the Black Opal foundation stick in the color Ebony Brown to contour. I always say lightly, but then I end up just. But today, I'm going to lightly contour my nose. Okay. All right. Oh, my nose is looking like I bought it for $5,000, but nope. Contour. What happens when you contour right? She's sitting up. And now I'm gonna use like a knit brush, and this brush was from Amazon. I'm just gonna use that to blend everything in. Just guys, when doing your makeup, blending is key. You always want to blend as much as you literally can. Like, blending is just key for makeup. Alright guys, so after blending, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the color Deep, so to bake. Basically, I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to lightly lightly dab it on my face. I'm not going to leave it in there I'm not going to leave it in there at all. I'm just going to lightly dab with that same brush that I use in blending everything in. Just lightly dab. So after that, I go ahead and use my Black Radiance contour palette right there. Okay guys, so yes, I'm going to be using this to just basically blend. I'm going to be using the lighter shade right here. I'm going to be using that to just put in. Just basically, I'm using this as a pressed powder. That's basically what I'm doing. I don't know, I just like to use this one, and I'm still using the same brush I used. So that's basically it. And then I go in with the dark one for contour. Use that to just contour my face. And this brush is from Reed Technique. So I also got this brush from, what is it called? Walgreens. I got the brush from Walgreens. I'm gonna use this brush here and still going into this, and I'm gonna just use that to contour my nose. I just also go into my crease with that. That's it. And I'm going in with my e.l.f. mascara. And after that, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. blush. I'm going to be using this color right here to just put in some color to my face. Alright guys, so after that, I just go ahead and use my e.l.f. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. setting spray. Guys, this setting spray smells so good. They use coconut to do it or whatever. It smells amazingly great. Like, oh, I love the smell of this setting spray. Go get yourself this e.l.f. setting spray. It's so good, smells so good, and it's really good. It keeps your makeup all day. So I'm gonna be using that to spray my face. Ooh. Smells so good, literally. So then now I'm gonna quickly do my lips. I'm using this lip pencil. It's like an eyebrow pencil. That's what I use for my eyebrows, guys. I know it's done. I love it so much. I need to get a new one, which I'm going to do. So I'm gonna be using that, and I did get this from the hair store. I'm gonna use that to line my lips real quick. For the lip gloss and the lipstick, I use my NYX butter gloss, and I also use the NYX soft matte lip cream. Alright guys, so I just went ahead to, you know, put in my wig, you know, so I can be looking good, so we can finish up the video. And also I forgot to put in some highlights, and you cannot do your makeup without a highlight. So I'm going to go back into this Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to be using the highlight right there to just highlight real quick. Alright, yes guys, so this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. You know what I'm saying? Turn on your post notification bell, please. Just do that, you know. Thank you. Alright, yes guys, so yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love it, you know. Just so cute. I'm just looking so nice. Natural makeup is the best, honestly guys. When you do like a natural beat like this, it's just the best. And for the lashes, I use my magnetic lashes from Glamnetic. Go order you some. I have a video on that. That video should already be on my channel, and if it is, I'm going to leave the end card right here so you can click on it and watch it and go order you some magnetic lashes from Glamnetic. Okay, that's what I just used to, you know, finish up the look, and I love it, guys. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, stay beautiful and stay safe. Bye bye.